Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to integrate Convertkit with landing page. Now here in the dashboard, of course, you can see Explore Convertkit and you can see the first option here, create a landing page or form. Now we will be following this, but if you don't have this here on your Convertkit, all you need to do is to go to the top right area where you have Grow under the tab, and when you click on it, you can see some options here. And there you have landing pages and forms. So this is what you're going to click in order to have the option for creating a landing page. So right now we're going to click on create a landing page. So it takes us here and you can see about 4 steps to create a landing page or form. Now, of course, we're doing a landing page, but the difference is clearly stated here. Now, if you're just starting and you don't have a website, a landing page would be great. But if you do have a website or you have some subscribers, creating a form would be even better. So we're going to go ahead and click on creating a landing page. And right here, we get to choose our template. Now the templates have categories and we're currently looking at all categories for this filter. Now this is not a problem. Of course, you can go ahead and select your niche and choose the template that is appealing to you. So we're just going to go ahead and choose this one here, Archer. So we're going to choose it. And as we've proceeded with that template, we can see it here. Of course, you have the option to preview this at the top here. So we're going to click on preview. And this is what is going to be seen on the website when it is eventually published. So we're going to exit the preview to have some other settings to be seen. And now right here, you can see the details of this landing page. You could go ahead and make some changes if you want, for example, the email address. So you could go ahead and add anything you want and you can see the difference here. We're going to delete that and leave it as it was. You could change the border radius, the border color, the font color, and the font weight. Now these are general styles and you could go ahead and go to settings. And here in settings, you can see the general preference. You have to show a success message or redirect to an external page. So this is also your choice if you want it. And then under domain name, you get to select your custom domain. You could also add a page URL. And when you add the domain and save it, this will appear on your domain when it's opened. And after all of this, you also have the incentives where you can send an incentive email or auto confirm new subscribers. You also have advanced settings, which you can have for your preference. And you have the SEO and analytics section. So after all of this is done and you now have a domain name set here, you could go ahead and save it. And after which, when you click on save, you can have this saved in your landing pages that you've created. However, if you feel that everything here is ready and set, you could go ahead and click on publish, and this will publish it to your website. So just to give it a try, we're going to click on publish. And here you can see you can share it on Facebook, share on X. You also have the option to embed your page with the Convertkit plugin, for example, using WordPress. And you also have the address. So we're going to copy it now and open it. And now we have our landing page. And everything here is a product of your preferences. Now, anyone who puts an email and clicks on subscribe will be sent to your Convertkit and recorded. So this is how to integrate Convertkit with landing page.